The biggest nitric oxide reservoir in the body? What is nitric oxide, and why do we need it? And where does our body store it? To learn about all of these, watch till the end. Nitric oxide is a crucial signaling molecule that plays a variety of essential roles in the body. It relaxes the smooth muscle cells in the walls of blood vessels, leading to vasodilation. It contributes to the overall health of the cardiovascular system by promoting healthy blood vessel function and acts as a neurotransmitter. It plays a role in communication between nerve cells and is involved in processes such as synaptic plasticity, which is crucial for learning and memory. Nitric oxide is also involved in immune system response and in the regulation of programmed cell death, known as apoptosis. This is why nitric oxide is referred to as the master molecular regulator. There are two main reservoirs for this important molecule in our body: skeletal muscles and endothelium. While skeletal muscles contribute to nitric oxide production, the endothelium, particularly in blood vessels, remains a major source of nitric oxide in the body. The coordinated actions of nitric oxide released from both endothelium and skeletal muscle contribute to the overall regulation of blood flow and cardiovascular health, especially during periods of increased demand such as exercise. In the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, nitric oxide is produced by the enzyme endothelial nitric oxide synthase, or ENOS. When stimulated, ENOS produces nitric oxide, which then diffuses into the smooth muscle cells of blood vessels, leading to vasodilation or relaxation of the blood vessel walls. Skeletal muscle serves as a significant storehouse of nitric oxide, a vital regulator of blood flow that contributes to enhanced athletic performance and influences muscle repair and growth. They stand ready for conversion to nitric oxide when needed, with muscle nitrate stores quickly building up through high dietary nitrate supplementation, achieving full capacity in just 3 days. So here's how it works. Endothelial nitric oxide synthase activation. Within the endothelial cells lining blood vessels and skeletal muscle, there's an enzyme called endothelial nitric oxide synthase, or ENOS. During physical activity, especially aerobic exercise, there's an increased demand for blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. Mechanical shear stress and other signals generated during muscle contraction stimulate ENOS activity. Production of nitric oxide in skeletal muscle. Activated ENOS in the endothelial cells of skeletal muscle produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide diffuses into the smooth muscle cells of blood vessels within the skeletal muscle, leading to vasodilation. Increased blood flow. Vasodilation in response to nitric oxide allows for increased blood flow to the active skeletal muscles. This increased blood flow ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the muscle tissue to support energy production during exercise. Metabolic benefits. Nitric oxide production in skeletal muscle may have metabolic benefits, such as improving glucose uptake and nutrient delivery to support energy metabolism. Enhanced exercise performance. The improved blood flow and nutrient delivery to skeletal muscles contribute to enhanced exercise performance. The dilation of blood vessels helps reduce the resistance to blood flow, optimizing the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. This robust muscle reservoir of nitric oxide can substantially improve athletic performance by 40 to 90%, playing a pivotal role in muscle repair, growth, and glucose uptake. The implications of the Nitrate-Nitrite-Nitric Oxide Pathway for nitric oxide production in muscles are substantial, particularly in conditions where oxygen availability is limited. Regular physical activity and exercise training can positively influence nitric oxide production in skeletal muscles. The release of nitric oxide during exercise not only benefits muscle function and performance, but also has systemic effects on cardiovascular health. Remember that it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding tobacco for proper production and utilization of nitric oxide in the body.